Go.
Now we're back for our
And go na.
Guys, now we're back in our show, and I have an important guest, guys, or cast of toilet. Let's welcome Miss Justin.
Wait,
Yeah, state all their
Miss
names.
Justin Grace Palwa,
yeah, yo.
Miss Mary Faye Gabalio, Miss Marley Buduis, and Mr. Ivan Shimation. Shimation. No, gising.
Dun 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 dun.
Hi. So, our first question would be for Miss Justin. Miss Cameraman, what's your question for them?
I just want to ask for Miss Marfae Gabalio. Who is Gabalio in your life? Please answer directly. You have 30 seconds or I will kill you. 30. What? Friends? I said
Friends.
friends. Near from boyfriends.
Why are you shy?
So,
Say-
what was his status on your life?
Yung microphone.
Was he status? No.
Aside from friend, what
Yeah.
you call? What do you like?
I know there is something. I know there is something between that friend, behind that
Yes.
friend thing.
Oh, I know.
But you insist your last name to be
No, she's just kidding.
Gabalio. No, she's
I
just
thank
moving.
you. You're safe.
Now, the second guest,
Next in line,
Miss Kalwa.
Kalwa. Ding ding ding. Okay, I just want to ask.
Pero joke lang ito ha.
No.
Seryoso.
Joke lang to. Make it serious. No. Joke lang.
We broadcast it in TV Patrol.
TV,
We're gonna broadcast it.
patrol.
Who is Michael Paula?
We're in News Cafe, News Cafe, live, reporting live. Who is Michael Pawa? Who is Michael Pawa in your life? Uy, katawaan lang ito ha. No.
No, kayakan.
Michael
Samaan.
Salang naman yung kumukompleto ng araw ko. Wala na sa kanya na sa
Para ako naiyak sa inyo.
wala na, joke ko yun. So kung wala siya, hindi na kukumpleto ang araw mo, ganun.
Kulang siya.
Tumiitik nga, nagkakamang-kamang siya, makalapad, kapasikat siya, mandughat.
Or ano?
Wala. Okay, another guest.
Our third guest, hello, si Narupo.
Yes, I'm Narupo.
Narupo.
Red girl.
Parang kapatid nila, Nalumpu.
Yeah, exactly. Kakambal ko nga siya, hindi mo ba alam yun? Nalupo.
I know, right.
Yeah, yun na. So, wala kayong tanong sa akin. Tama na, Bish?
What would you like to ask to Miss Narupo? You.
Wala nga namang talurin yun kung Narupo.
From what country you are? Hindi, your family.
Saan po ba si Michael, ano yun?
Malaki.
Wait,
No.
Michael Huyufa?
Huyuhoy. Si Michael Huyuhoy.
Oh my God!
Who is Michael Huyuhoy?
Your life.
Huyo.
Huyo.
Si Michael. No, Marley
If you're
Huyo.
given a chance to marry her, you will say yes or no?
No, because we're running out of time.
Si Michael. Hoy. Ang basa lang ako sa atin. Now na pa, Jod. First year. Until now?
Yes,
Wow.
from a
Ito na.
lifetime. First love never
Taga-UM ka
dies.
dire. Taga-UM, masira.
False sign.
Wow. We got it, sir. Tapos ikaw naman.
Next, our last guest.
Sino ang gusto mo? Sino love?
Who is Mary Grace? Mary Grace, what is her?
Ganson.
Ha?
Ganson.
Ganson.
Wala.
Sino siya?
Budungan, mautin mo.
Ano lang. Bali yung
Inspiration?
inspiration. Tapos, yun.
Naman din niya.
Kumukumpleto ng araw ko ng
Wow!
araw.
Yahit!
No
Pero
cheating.
nung araw yun na. Pero
Or
ngayon,
gabi na.
Iba na naman.
Gabi na ako. Hindi
Gabi
na
na.
pala sa akin kasi
May iba na.
may iba na.
Sino kaya si Princess?
Sino kaya? Abangan natin.
Ay, si Princess. Yun,
May bago si Princess.
si Princess.
Ano ang pledo niya? Si Princess Prince.
Kumakangalan talaga ako kasi maganda siya.
Maganda.
Hindi ko alam attitude. Attitude. Kumakangalan ko kaya dahil maganda siya. Kailangan ko po siya kilalanin. Ikaw!
Sinong ikaw?
Kilala ko na siya.
Next.
When we met in high school.
And that will be all.
And that will be all. And now we're on next.
This is you.
Cameraman.
I am your cameraman.
40. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm your cameraman.
And I'm your anchor for today's show. So, babush kabayo.
Goodbye, Philippines.
And
Hello,
goodbye, world.
Thank you.
Pabuto, 1
And last.
Tama na.
Play na, play na.